People, what is up? Razzle dazzle! Today we're going to be checking out a CRKT beautiful knife. It's the Squid. Look at that puppy. Now, a little flippity flip. Look at the back. Wow. So this is an assisted opener, so it's going to have a little extra oomph to give you to like pop that blade a little bit faster. So you can do that one of two ways. You can either flick it right here, and they do have a knob on both sides, so it's ambidextrous. Or you can use what I'm going to and just kind of like do that. Now look at that. You see how fast that blade deployed? Now since it does have a little bit of an assist, it's a little bit tougher going back in. But man, that pops right out nice and nice. Love the handle on here. You get a nice good grip with the scales. Closes nice and easy. And again, that opening here, we'll try flipping it. You can hear it go thunk. It's got some authority there with that assisted opening. That's pretty nice. That'll get you there. That'll get you that blade open fast. This is a Burnley designed blade. And right down there, we can get a little info about our blade steel. And blade length and whatnots. All right, let's get a weight on it. And it looks like we're at 3.6 ounces. And on the back, we also have our nice deep set pocket clip. I do have a spot down yonder here if you want to maybe put like a lanyard or some rope or something around there. Paracord maybe? All right, we're gonna go ahead, folks, and open some boxes. We're gonna slice through them, slice across them. Right now, we're just going to go ahead and put down the slightest bit of pressure. We're able to go right through that tape pretty effortlessly. Open that right up fairly quickly. Easy. Look at that. Shabam. All right, let's go ahead and try to get right in here and cut through. Look at that. Nice deep cuts in there. Yeah, all the way through. Look at that. I made like a mouth. Hey, good job, knife. People, this is a pretty great knife. I mean, overall, this puppy is fantastic. I'd say this is going to be a great EDC carry. That's right, an everyday carry for your pocket. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye. Hold on, I'll flip up one more time. Just for you. Just for you. That was a misfire on the flip, but followed through, and I got it. It's the key for life. The follow through. Just keep on going.